I will share the video, girls. So in this problem, calculation of the tax liability, total income 3,90,300 and assessee, resident and senior citizen. Okay na? So this is the problem, girls. So in this problem, all of you visible my video? Hello, all of you visible? Hello. Okay. So in this problem, to calculation of the tax liability, assessee is a resident and and senior citizen. So total income 3,90,300. So total income how much, Amma? 3,90,300 is the annual income. So annual income, to calculation of the tax rate, flat rate how much? At the rate of 20%. So and one more important thing, age is a senior citizen. So senior citizen, how much age limit is how much age limit, amma? Senior citizen ki how much age limit? So this is a senior citizen timetable, 60 to 80 years below. So senior citizen age 60 to 80 years below. So in the senior citizen earn the income 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 0.05% exemption. Okay na? 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs varaki 0.05 tax liability. So and 3 lakhs to earn the 3 lakhs income, there is no tax amount. So in case senior citizens kanaka 3 lakhs varaki income earn cheste, there is no tax liability. Okay na? And 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So in the senior citizen, to earn the income 5 lakhs to 5 lakhs up to 10 lakhs, to calculation of the 0.2% tax, 0.2% flat rate and 10 lakhs above. So above 10 lakhs, to calculation of the 0.3%. So in this person senior citizen. So in this person senior citizen, so age 67 years. So senior citizens age 60 to 80 years. So to calculation of the taxable income. Okay na? So taxable income, to calculation of the taxable income 3,90,300. Okay na? 3,90,300. So in the senior citizen earn the annual total income 3,90,300. In this 3 lakhs in these 3,90,300, so senior citizens earn the income 3 lakhs, earn the income 3 lakhs, there is a exemption. Okay na? ఒకవేళ సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ కనుక 3 lakhs వరకు ఇన్కమ్ ఎర్న్ చేసుకునే ఛాన్స్ అనేది వాళ్ళకు ఉందమ్మా. సో అబోవ్ 3 lakhs కనుక ఎర్న్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే కంపల్సరీ మనం ట్యాక్స్ లయబిలిటీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ 3,90,300 is above 3 lakhs. సో 3 lakhs above కంటే మనకి 90,300 is a taxable income. So 90,300 is a taxable income. So calculation of the basic income tax, taxable income, rate of tax by 100. So already given to the rate of tax in this problem, then 20% of the rate of tax are flat rate. So rate of tax or flat rate is both are the same. So calculation of the basic income tax, taxable income. So what is the basic income tax, taxable income? Assessee is paid to the government, that is the taxable income. Okay na? How much taxable income? 90,300 is a taxable income. Remaining 3 lakhs is a exemption of the senior citizen, because there is no tax of the 3 lakhs. Okay na? Up to 1 rupee nunchi 3 lakhs varaku there is no tax amma. Senior citizens 1 rupee to 3 lakhs varaku exemption undi. Income tax 1961 rule prakaram exemption is there. Okay na? So 90,300 into 20 by 100. So then will be calculation of the basic income tax. 18,060 is the basic income tax. And calculation of the tax rebate. So in this problem, so what is the meaning of tax rebate? So tax rebate is also one of the exemption of the assessees. Okay na? One of the exemption of the assessees. In case సో సీనియర్ సిటిజన్ ట్యాక్స్ రిబేట్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అమ్మా 5000. సో ఇక్కడ సీనియర్ సిటిజన్ కి రెండు ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటంటే ద 3 lakhs is a basic exemption and ట్యాక్స్ రిబేట్ వచ్చేసి 5000. ఓకేనా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, ఇండివిజువల్స్ అయితే ట్యాక్స్ రిబేట్ 2500 is a tax rebate. ఓకేనా. హలో గర్ల్స్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్? హలో హలో ఓకేనా. సో బేసిక్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ liability 18,600 minus tax rebate, one of the exemption of the assessee amma. So tax rebate is one of the exemption of the assessee. ఓకేనా. అండ్ లెస్ చేస్తే 13,600. So 13,600 is a tax liability amount. Then will be calculation of the 2% education cess. So 2% education cess 261 and 1% higher education cess. Okay na. So 181. So both the 13,482 point or 13,450. Okay na. Hello హలో అర్థమైందారా? ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా గర్ల్స్? ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? హలో గర్ల్స్, ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా అందరికి? ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్. నౌ గోయింగ్ టు సిక్స్త్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో మిస్టర్ ఆకాష్ దీప్ won a lottery prize of rupees 3,30,000 and he is not having any other incomes. So he is a assessee Akash Deep won a lottery prize. So he is a person to win the lottery prize. The amount is 3,30,000 and he is not have any other incomes. So in this Akash Deep there is no other income sum, only win the lottery prize 3,30,000. So there is no flat rate and there is no resident, non-senior citizen and super senior citizen. So already we have given the lottery prize. Already we have given the some of the information of the incomes. So lottery prize is nothing but it is just casual income of the one of the type of. So already lottery prize, horse race winning, some of the game shows winning, then we calculation of the flat rate 30%. Okay na. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయించుకున్నాం. సో 30% టు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లాట్ రేట్. సో చూడండి, ట్యాక్స్ రేట్, క్యాజువల్ ఇన్కమ్. ఓకేనా. సో ఇన్ దిస్ లాటరీ ప్రైజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ క్యాజువల్ ఇన్కమ్ at the rate of 30% is the calculation of the tax liability. So calculation of the basic income tax, total income into rate of tax by 100. So rate of tax already given to the incomes amma. So in previous class lo meeku incomes cheppinappudu rate of tax kuda nenu meeku explain chesanu. Okay na. So 3,30,000 is winning amount and 30% is a 30% is a flat rate and 100. So 99,000 is the base of income tax and to calculation of the tax liability 99,000 and to calculation of the 2% education cess and 1% higher secondary and higher education cess on tax liability. So 99,000 is the tax liability into 2 plus 3 by 100. So 3 by 100 చేస్తే మనకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ సెకండరీ అండ్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ చేసి వస్తుందమ్మా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద 1,19,070 is the tax liability amount. Okay na. All of you understood? This is a small problem. All of you understood? This is small. Okay na. So any doubts amma? So already we have given some theory amma. So particular important points, secondary and higher education says 2% and 1% and casual incomes to calculation of the tax rate 30% and short term capital gains and long term capital gains. So already given to the sum of the tax rates and senior citizen, super senior citizen, non senior citizen. So compulsory most of the points are mind it amma. Okay na. Okay na. All of you understood? Okay na. Now going to third problem. Okay cheppana, third problem cheppana. Okay. So problem is given. Problem is understanding. Hello guys. Problem is understanding. Okay. Yes. So next problem, seventh problem. So Srimati Bindu won a jackpot prize rupees 8,20,000 in horse race and is not having any other incomes. She is claiming exemption of rupees 2,50,000 and tax rebate 2,05,000. So is a Bindu, he is a girl amma, won a jackpot prize. So jackpot nothing but is a TV show, is something TV show. Winning the prize amount 8,20,000. Okay na? So a horse race, he's not having any other incomes. So there is no any other incomes, and she is claiming exemption of rupees 2,50,000. So what is the claiming exemption 2,50,000? Nothing but he is a ordinary person. Okay na? He is not a senior citizen, super senior citizen. It is a non-senior citizen. So total income exemption 2,50,000. Okay na? And tax rebate 2,05,000. Because it is a ordinary citizen, to calculation of the tax rebate. So tax rebate nothing but one of the income exemption. Okay na? All of you understood Amma this question? Hello? All of you understood? All of you understood? So in this problem, total income 8,20,000. So jackpot prize, Bindu jackpot prize winning 8,20,000. He is a casual income at the rate of 30%. So jackpot winning prize, lottery winning prize, horse race winning prize. సో అండ్ సమ్ టీవీ షోస్ మీలో ఎవరు కోటీశ్వరుడు కావచ్చు లేకపోతే బిగ్ బాస్ ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఏంటంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ క్యాజువల్ ఇన్కమ్స్ టు ఎర్న్ ది క్యాజువల్ ఇన్కమ్ అమ్మ. సో డిఫాల్ట్ గా 30% ఫ్లాట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది బేసిక్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్, total income by rate of tax by 100. So total income nothing but 8,20,000 the total income, and 30 by 100 అంటే సో మనకి క్యాజువల్ ఇన్కమ్ 30% క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి ట్యాక్స్ రేట్. సో 30 by 100. సో టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 0 క్యాన్సిల్, 0 క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 3 2s are 6 and 8 3s are 24. So 2,46,000 is a basic income tax. And the calculation of the tax liability. So basic income tax 2,46,000 is a basic income tax amount. So in these two basic income tax liability to calculation of the education cess and higher education cess. So individual ga to calculation of the education cess are both adding and to calculation of the education and higher secondary and higher education cess 3%. Okay na? So 3% calculate then will be amount will be adding to the basic income tax liability. So total add చేస్తే 2,53,380 is the taxable income. So in these problems exemptions and tax rebate is applicable and it is not casual income. So and one more important point గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలమ్మా, because in this person he is not a senior citizen, super senior citizen, non-senior citizen, but a person to win the lottery prize. So compulsory there is no tax rebate. So tax rebate anadi whenever to calculation of the person income is 3,50,000 below. Assess see earn the annual income 3,50,000 below to calculation of the tax rebate. Okay na? So ఎప్పుడైతే ఒక పర్సన్ యొక్క ఇన్కమ్ అనేది 3,50,000 కంటే బిలో ఉంటుందో then will be calculation of the tax rebate 3,50,000. Tax rebate 2,500. Okay, and exemptions and tax rebate not applicable to the casual incomes. And మనకి exemptions కానీ tax rebate కానీ casual incomes లో applicable కావు. ఓకేనా? all of you understood అమ్మా? హలో, all of you understood? హలో, ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా అందరికి?